all of you are gonna go getting big and strong. Good to see you back there. Don't you forget to get some of that sunlight today. A little bit of vitamin D for everybody. It's a good inside rain today. Yes. Oh, how's everyone doing? Good morning. B.S. Bobcats? Hey, you came in during watering time. So, well, today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. It's also National Gardening Day. So, get out those green thumbs. Right now, I'm tending to the inside garden. We have the cilantro and some cucumbers and parsley. Ooh, that's going to be nice for that herb garden. And some tomato. Ooh, there's tomatoes. The big guy, or the pumpkin back there, is looking good. He's looking real good back there. So, yep, in a couple weeks, we'll be transferring that outside. But it's time for the Pledge of Allegiance. Good thing I brought in my flag. Whoop, there you go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So, it is Tuesday. That means for everyone, it's physical education. So, go ahead and enjoy some physical education today. You also have your regular classwork. Now, tomorrow we're going to start our next Flex Day. It's going to be another little celebration. We're doing something on poetry. That's going to be super fun. So, I was thinking about some of my favorite poems. My absolute favorite is one I learned when I was in 4th grade. It's Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. Can I say it to you? I knew I could. All right, so it goes. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds a sweep of easy wind in downy flake. His woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So it's about a traveler in the winter, and he's with his horse, and he's going by just kind of a strange area, an area that, doesn't seem like it's been traveled very much. However, he knows that he's going to go through, and maybe he's going to forage through as the first or only a couple people, and he knows that there are people around. However, it's kind of a shared community. It's something that we go through together. So when you forage today, when you forage on, remember, others are going to be there too. Okay? And maybe you're going to set the path, or maybe you'll set in someone else's footprints. Either way, it's a long journey, and you're in it together. Because we have miles to go before we sleep. Hey, B.S. Bobcats, have a terrific Tuesday.